take a look at the coast-to-coast weather now with AccuWeather meteorologist Alex DaSilva. Happy Monday, Alex. Any big headlines we need to know about?
Well, a couple of things. First of all, look how dry it's been across portions of the Northeast. These are the percentages from normal. So you can see places like Pittsburgh, Philadelphia, even New York City have been well below average since August 1st. Unfortunately, that's not good news if you want to go out and do some leaf peeping, especially in portions of the Northeast. A lot of dry conditions probably mean that the colors might be a little bit on more of the duller side this year. I grew up in New England, and there's nothing better than seeing the great colors across northern portions of New England. But like I said, some of those leaves might drop a little bit early this year because of those drought situations. The other big story we're following, looks like there's going to be some pretty heavy rain across portions of the mid-Atlantic and Outer Banks areas. Looks like it's going to be a non-tropical area of low pressure moving into the Outer Banks later on tonight or tomorrow morning. Pretty heavy rain across portions of eastern North Carolina and Virginia.
What's happening in the tropics? Any action out there that we need to worry about?
Yeah, again, we've just passed the climatological peak of the hurricane season, which was September 10th. So we still have a long way to go. And what are we tracking right now? Two different areas, two tropical waves coming across the Atlantic right now. This first one, we have a high risk of development. It should stay north of the islands, but we're going to have to watch things in Bermuda as it looks like it's going to turn out to sea. The next wave, that one does have a chance to come a little bit further to the west. So I'll be keeping my eye out on that second wave, especially as that could come a little bit closer to the islands, and then we'll have to see what happens after that.
You know, Alex, my parents live in the Midwest, and they've been talking about the heat recently. That's not changing. How hot is it going to get?
Yeah, I mean, you can see this big area of high pressure building over the center of the nation here. That heat really expands to the north. Temperatures 5 to 15 degrees above average. So in some areas, it's really going to feel like summer out there. Again, highs in the middle 80s to even portions of the upper 90s. So definitely want to be careful out there and stay hydrated if you're going to be doing anything outside.
It'll be cold soon enough in the Midwest.
We'll get there.
All right, Alex, thanks so much. Connect